So you want to start a filmmaking business? Well, in this video, I'm going to teach you exactly how to do that in a couple of easy steps. So stick around until the end of the video for all of those steps. Hey guys, welcome back. My name is Sean D. Welcome to Stone Mountain Studios, where I want to teach you how to tell better stories with exceptional video. So like I mentioned in the beginning of this video, I want to teach you today how to start a filmmaking business. If you want to start a production company or studio, anything in that realm, I just want to give you my couple of pointers how you can explode your business. So first things first, you would want to set up a portfolio. So I would recommend getting a website, Facebook page, Instagram page, anything like that that's going to allow you to take your footage and your creative work, put it on an online platform where you can refer potential clients to. That just creates a platform for your clients to visit and for them to know what type of work it is they can expect from you. You can also include some pricing and packages as well on your website and allow your clients to book you or book a consultation through your website. Okay, so now that you have your portfolio up and running, I would definitely recommend doing any form of video work. So obviously you can do work for dirt cheap or for free for family and friends when you just start out. There's always someone that wants some sort of video content. Maybe it's a friend that just launched a product or a family member that wants to take family video, or perhaps they're getting married and you can take a video on their wedding, a highlight film or anything like that. So I would definitely recommend just start shooting for dirt cheap. That would also increase your online portfolio, whether it be Facebook, Instagram, your website. That would definitely allow your potential customers to see the type of work you do. I would also recommend just doing work for yourself. So put together videos for you to practice. I have made a video of that previously and I think it will be linked up here. So definitely check out that video where I have a couple of recommendations how you can get to know your gear, do a couple of shots and just get the filmmaker experience before you actually offer those services to your clients. I would definitely recommend joining social groups. Sometimes there's a couple of WhatsApp groups, but I know definitely on Facebook there are a couple of groups where you can join for your specific area, which will allow you to market your services. So a lot of the times brides and grooms or people that are looking for video content are on the search on online platforms. So definitely be present on those platforms, join a couple of groups, go on the search bar on Facebook and search for those groups where you can belong and be a part of those groups and contribute. That definitely makes a difference in the industry that we are in. So if you want to punch your business into the market, I will definitely recommend joining a couple of groups on Facebook, and then you can gain potential clients. Your leads will be pulled from there and you can then quote your clients professionally. And after you've quoted your clients, the work will start streaming in. You just need to be patient. Then another tip that I have is for you to second shoot for a well-established business. So what this will do is allow you to gain the experience within the market, see how it is to work with clients, brides and grooms, or entrepreneurs or businessmen. So when you start working with people in that sense, when you are second shooting for companies that are well established, you don't have to do a lot of work and you are maybe making a little bit of money on the side. So it's a good learning curve. Just make sure that you have something to show and practice a lot in terms of editing and shooting so that you can prove yourself at this well-established business. It might not be as easy to get into this business and to become part of a team and someone just to take you in under their wing, but if you approach someone decently and you approach them in the right manner, they will definitely be more than likely to consider you as a second shooter in the future. And the thing is, every videographer or filmmaker needs a little bit of help in terms of hands every now and then. And on that note, you can also offer your services in terms of freelancing. So if you have become accustomed to this whole filmmaking thing and you've shot a couple of weddings or gigs for this well-established business, you can offer your freelancing services for them to tell them, hey, listen, if you are double booked or anything like that, or you have something that came up and you want me to come and shoot for you as a freelancer, please give me a call. The door will never open if you don't knock. So for me, it's very important that you think about what is the next step. You don't want to be a second shooter your whole life long. You want to create this business, you want to grow this business, and you can always then offer your services for these well-established businesses to consider you as a freelancer within their business. Maybe put together a highlight reel of what it is that you can do and give that to your potential clients or businesses that want to use you as a freelancer, just so that they can see that the type of work that you do are definitely up to scratch. Okay, so lastly, ladies and gentlemen, I just want to thank you very much for sticking around until this part of the video, and I've got a little special tip here at the end for you. But before I give you that tip, please consider subscribing if this video did bring any value to your filmmaking career, and I will definitely be dropping more of these types of how-to videos, tutorials, gear, all of those types of videos. So if you are into that and you are a freelancer, filmmaker, storyteller, please do consider subscribing to my channel, and I will keep you up to date with the video content that I will drop. So my last tip, my fellow storytellers, is take your camera everywhere, shoot sequences of everything, and book the clients every time. So that's it for this video, guys. I will definitely see you in the next one. If I did bring any value to your filmmaking career, please consider please consider dropping it a like, smash that like button. I will see you in the next one. Cheers.